With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friend, this is our question. Explain the following. So in this question we have to explain the given statement. So the statement is, when a corridor train suddenly starts, the sliding doors of some compartments may open. So we have to give the reason. So it is happening because the frame of sliding door is in contact with the floor of the train, also comes in motion. So when the train starts, due to inertia, the sliding doors remains in its position. So we will write down the same thing here, because the frame of sliding door is in contact with the floor of train, also come in motion. When the train starts, but due to inertia, the sliding door remains in its position. That's why when a corridor train suddenly starts, the sliding door of some compartments may open. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.